What's up, guys? It's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing this simple makeup look, nothing too much, but it was just content to get out to you guys because I haven't had content out to you guys. So if you want to see this normal, natural beat, stay tuned. Don't mind me not having my wig on in this video because I did a tutorial on how to put this wig on. So the wig wasn't in there, but there's a video that's gonna come right after that's gonna show you how to apply this frontal. Okay, so spare me. Okay, I don't have a wig on in this video. It's just me and my wig cap. Okay, I hope you guys like it. If you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, let's get started. So I'm going to start with my Fenty Beauty primer. I'm really not trying to put as much product on my forehead just because I still have to put my wig on, but that's neither here nor there. So just blend this all the way out as normal. Wow, a tutorial on me doing my eyebrows. That's so rare, guys. I do my eyebrows different every time I do them. Hey, I don't know what to tell you besides fill them suckers in, okay? Just fill them in. This is the step I feel like where you can either decide to make your eyebrows thick, thin, however you want to shape them. This is how I feel like you do it with the concealer, and you just do it to your preference. Me, some days I want thin eyebrows, some days I want thick eyebrows. It just depends on my mood and the makeup look I'm going for. Today, they were kind of more so natural, so I just kind of followed my natural eyebrow shape and just kind of really filled them in and made sure they was all nice and cleaned up. And I just blend it out here with a little concealer brush and call it a day. Then I like how they're filled in the front and they don't really have that sparse look. I don't really know the word for it, but yeah. And I'm just going to put concealer on my eyelids. I told you guys in a previous video, I don't really use my P. Louise base anymore. Why? I can't really tell you. I really didn't find a great purpose for it. Like, it was great. It helped the shadows. It's really great for like very bold looks, but for natural looks, I don't really see the point in using it, so I don't. Now I'm just going to go in with a brown color. I believe this palette that I'm using, I didn't show the palette, but I believe it's the Too Faced Peach palette. I believe, based off the natural colors that's in this video that I'm watching, I believe that's what this palette is. I'm making mad that I didn't show it, so I don't really remember. But now I'm just going to go in with my concealer font and just carve out the eyelid. Yeah, okay, now this confirmed for me that I use the peach palette because this is a very subtle, like, shimmery color that's in that palette, and you really can't see it. Like, now I'm going to go in with my NARS foundation. This is the Fawn concealer. and I'm just putting it under my eyes. I'm going to let it sit, but then I'm going to go in with my foundation around it, and then I'm going to blend it out. Just watch the technique, guys. I don't really know how to fully explain it besides saying watch. What's so odd to me is like the different colors that my face is. Like, I don't know if it's the lighting or this. I can't tell you. I know that I had just got back from vacation, so I was in the sun, so I have a slight tan, but I swear to you, off camera and like in photos and stuff, it doesn't look that bad. Like, you see how the lighting just adjusted and it doesn't look that bad, but look at the top of my forehead where my ball cap stops, and my face, like, it looks so off. Like, anyways, I got my new foundation summer color, so we're not gonna worry. We're just gonna call this a L, and we're gonna just take the L. Now I'm going to set under my eyes with the Veil powder from Hourglass, which is my fave. Between that and Huda Beauty, those are my faves. Go get you some, sis. Everybody needs it in their collection. Everybody needs this in this collection too. The Micro Smooth from Sephora. Oh, baby. Have your face looking real, just sleek and just perfect. Now I'm going to go over with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I don't really know the color because it's not right in front of me, but it's there. In person, people always ask me what blush this is. It's like a blush highlighter from P. Louise. I don't even know if they've ever really released it or if it's out, but sis, it works miracles. Now I'm just going to set my face and use my beauty blender to push that in to bring back my natural oils. We're going to use the Fenty highlight to just highlight. Not too crazy, but just enough. Y'all know how that goes. Now I'm going to use the Dior mascara. This is a mini. I got this when I was in LA. They had a little pop-up shop. Now I'm going to do my under eyes just with that same brown that I put in my crease. Nothing too fancy schmancy. Okay, based off looking at this video, I really don't know what eyelashes these are. I'm not gonna stunt you, but they can be one of two things: Lulla Babies or Styles by Taj. I can't tell you exactly which ones they are. Just know they poppin', and I'll put it in the description which one it is when I find them. I gotta find the look. I usually put my lashes back in their case, so I'm gonna go look for this style, and I'll tell you guys in the description which style these are. But they're dramatic, and I really like dramatic lashes, especially if I'm doing a natural look, because it makes my eyes pop more. Just bottom lashes, and then we're gonna do our lip. All the lippies I'm using is ColourPop. I believe this is BFF2, and the lip is from the Shayla collection. I believe it's Neat Freak, but don't quote me. Just go look at the Shayla collection, but the lippies are definitely from ColourPop. Y'all like this makeup look? I know it's mad simple, and I know it's probably distracting as heck because I didn't have a wig on the whole time, but it's okay because I got our own nail. I got our own nail. Anyways, if you guys like it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in this applying my frontal video. Stay tuned. Bye. Ta-ta.